What's up guys, it's John from Blackjack Contracting. I'd like to welcome you to 72 West First Street, our first ever executive rental. Let's take a look around. So I got to have a lot of fun here. The customer gave me free range and design to design this place that I thought would be beautiful. We did a lot of things above and board on this one. We did a lot of extras free of charge just to show customers what can be done with their space, and these customers were really nice and they let us all have a lot of fun. So on this one, we did complete interior waterproofing. We have a complete waterproof underpad and subfloor, so that keeps the floor up a little bit and it actually keeps a really dry and warm floor. We put a steel beam in to open up the living room so we get this big wide open section. Everything is spray foamed. We got to do a bunch of fun accent things. We'll show you around in the kitchen. We used a different tile. We used a bunch of accent doors, accent walls. It's been a lot of fun. And I really appreciate the customers for letting us do that, and thank you for coming along for the ride.